to go to the shop and take a look at it.
There you go. Here we are, everybody. First video for the day. Music was jamming, couldn't really get it on. Show you what we got done. Look at this, they cleaned this up. I did this whole entire side right here. Finish this up real quick. Right there's our scaffolding. Put to the side. Yep, that's right there. This is all done, except for the framing right there in the front on this right wing. That ain't done right there, it wasn't me. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. Thanks. God bless.